Okay, so I'm at the top of, I think, what is going to be as far as I'm going to go. And these are the views up here. And that's overlooking Maggie Valley, North Carolina. You see some snow over there. It's probably a ski resort. And there's a science center up here. I really don't have any desire to hike much more than this because this was rough. The terrain was perfect. Wasn't, rocky or roots, but the incline will do you in. So my heart's pumping pretty good. I gotta check that out. And I'm gonna once again just show you the view. It's absolutely gorgeous.